Hokkaido is the second largest island in Japan and is located in the northern part of the country. The island is famous for its stunning natural landscapes, including mountains, forests, and hot springs. Hokkaido experiences a continental climate, resulting in harsh winters with significant snowfall. Sapporo, the capital city of Hokkaido, is known for its annual Sapporo Snow Festival featuring impressive snow sculptures. The island played a significant role during the Meiji Restoration in the 19th century as a site for modernization and settlement. Hokkaido is home to the indigenous Ainu people, who have their own unique culture, language, and traditions. The island was previously known as Ezo and was largely unexplored by the Japanese until the 19th century. Hokkaido is famous for its dairy products, particularly cheese and butter, due to its expansive pasturelands. The island boasts some of Japan's best ski resorts, attracting winter sports enthusiasts from around the world. The annual Yuki Matsuri, snow festival, attracts millions of visitors and showcases large snow and ice sculptures. Hokkaido is known for its delicious seafood, particularly crabs, scallops, and sea urchin. The Dasetsuzen National Park, the largest national park in Japan, is located in Hokkaido and is known for its hiking trails. Wildlife enthusiasts can find brown bears, deer, and various bird species native to the island. Hokkaido produces a significant portion of Japan's agricultural products, including potatoes and corn. The island's cool climate is ideal for producing high-quality grapes used in winemaking. Shiratoko National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its pristine nature and diverse wildlife. Hokkaido has several hot springs, or onsen, known for their therapeutic properties and stunning mountain views. The Otaru Canal, which runs through the city of Otaru, is famous for its historic warehouses and picturesque scenery. Sapporo hosts the famous Sapporo Beer Museum, showcasing the history of beer production in Japan. Hokkaido is often associated with scenic flower fields, particularly lavender in Furano and cherry blossoms in Matsumi. The island has a strong contemporary art scene, with numerous galleries and installations, especially in Sapporo. Hokkaido was the first region in Japan to offer professional ice hockey, with the establishment of the Japan Ice Hockey League in the 1950s. The Tokachi region in Hokkaido is known for its agricultural innovations and is often called the breadbasket of Hokkaido. Hokkaido is a prime location for viewing the northern lights, especially in winter months. The island experiences unique seasonal festivals, such as the Kamiyubetsu Tulip Park Festival in spring. Hokkaido's famous soup curry is a unique dish that combines curry with a variety of vegetables and meats in a broth. The island has a vibrant arts and craft scene, particularly in weaving and pottery influenced by Ainu culture. Hokkaido has numerous local breweries, producing unique craft beers that highlight regional flavors. The famous Shikoden Peninsula offers dramatic coastal cliffs and stunning panoramic ocean views. Hokkaido has a flowering culture, with vibrant displays of seasonal blooms, attracting gardening enthusiasts. The region is known for producing some of Japan's highest quality and most expensive melons. Hokkaido is home to the Sapporo Clock Tower, a historical building that serves as a symbol of the city. The island's hot springs are often surrounded by beautiful natural settings, making them popular tourist spots. Hokkaido's population is more rural compared to other Japanese islands, contributing to its slower pace of life. The area is famous for the scenic Blue Pond, known for its striking blue color caused by natural minerals. Hokkaido has impressive wildlife viewing opportunities, including the rare Blakiston's fish owl. The island is a major breeding ground for Steller sea eagle, one of the largest raptors in the world. The Hokkaido Museum of Modern Art in Sapporo features works by both Japanese and international artists. The island is a popular destination for hiking enthusiasts, with trails ranging from easy to challenging. Hokkaido is known for its beautiful coastline, with stunning beaches that are less crowded than those on Honshu. The region also hosts the Hokkaido Heritage Garden, showcasing traditional Japanese gardens and architecture. Hokkaido was the first Japanese region to establish a professional baseball team, the Hokkaido Nippon Ham Fighters. The island is an excellent location for birdwatching, especially during migration seasons. Hokkaido's picturesque farms are often featured in Japanese television dramas and films. The Sapporo Summer Beer Garden hosts a seasonal event with local food and drinks under the stars. Hokkaido's agriculture is known for embracing innovative techniques, making it a leader in food production.